Capsicum farming is profitable business in the world. Capsicum is an important commercial vegetable and high-value crops. It is also known as sweet pepper or bell pepper. This crop is a cold season crop, but capsicum is cultivated throughout the year using polyhouse. Capsicum is a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and mineral. Calcium, 13.4 mg, magnesium, 14.9 mg, of phosphorus, 28.3 mg, of potassium, 263.7 mg, per 100 grams of fresh capsicum fruit weight. Dear viewers, today in this video we will try to explain the method of capsicum farming, and its advantages and disadvantages. Capsicum requires a similar climate, like that of Chile, and is also susceptible to frost. The crop requires slightly warmer temperatures. Optimum temperatures for fruit setting are between 16 to 21 degrees Celsius, whereas for good fruit development, night temperatures of 15 to 17 degrees Celsius, and day temperatures of 24 to 30 degrees Celsius are required. Capsicums do not tolerate frost. During cold weather, the fruits remain small, hard, and malformed, and may also have numerous growth cracks. Capsicum is grown in all types of soils, ranging from clayey to loamy soil. It can also withstand in acidic soil to some extent. Capsicum gives best result when grown under sandy loam soil having high fertility and good drainage system. It requires pH ranging from 6 to 7 is best for capsicum farming. The land should be thoroughly plowed, and soil should be brought to fine tilth. Well-decomposed organic manure, at the rate of 20 to 25 kilograms per square meter is mixed with soil. This would be sufficient to grow 3 capsicum crops successively. Raised beds are formed after bringing soil to fine tilth. The bed size should be 90 to 100 centimeters wide, and 15 to 22 centimeters height. Between the beds walking space of 45 centimeters to 50 centimeters need to be provided. Before planting seedlings in beds, use of 80 kg calcium ammonium nitrate, 125 kg superphosphate, and 32 kg muriate of potash, or 40 kg sulfate of potash per acre. Black polyethylene non-recycled mulch film, of 30 to 100 micron thick, 1.2 meters wide, is used to cover the planting beds. Holes of 5 centimeters diameter are made on the polyethylene film, as per the recommended spacing, 45 centimeters by 30 centimeters. The planting beds are covered with the film by securing the edges of the sheet firmly in the soil. Mulching practice conserves water, controls weeds, reduces pests and diseases infestation, and results in higher yield with good quality produce. The sweet pepper is generally sown in August for the autumn-winter crop, and in November for the spring-summer crop. The planting beds are watered to field capacity before transplanting. Seedlings which having attained 4 to 5 leaves, of 50 to 60 days old are used for transplanting. The seedlings are transplanted in rows in the evening, or during the cloudy day followed by irrigation. Use row-to-row spacing of 50 centimeters, and plant-to-plant spacing of 40 centimeters. Seedlings are transplanted into holes, made in polyethylene mulch film, at a depth of 5 centimeters. Water the mulched beds daily, during afternoon by using hosepipe, for a week continuously is essential to avoid mortality, due to heat trapped by mulch sheet. After planting the seedlings, the land should be irrigated as required. Irrigation is essential in arid and semi-arid regions. Capsicum crop is sprayed with water-soluble fertilizers, like potassium nitrate and calcium nitrate at every 3-week interval, after 2 months of transplanting 3 grams, as foliar application, per liter of water. Magnesium sprays are also helpful in increasing productivity. If there are any pests and diseases in capsicum cultivation, and you are facing any problem, you can consult agriculture officer in your area, or you can take the advice of an experienced farmer. Green capsicum can be harvested at 55 to 60 days after transplanting, Yellow capsicum at 70 to 75 days, whereas red capsicum at 80 to 90 days. Fruits can be harvested once in 3 to 4 days. Yellow and red fruits can be harvested when they have gained 50 to 80% of the color development.